sami ukuthi angizizwa emoyeni wami ngiphukile phuma ngingana nami kunini kuswa indaba yakho ngizothula phikisana nami indoda yimla
uthi ngiyakhala ngokuhluphi kubimbana
inkinga yami neyakho ukuthi aswani mina nawe masikhuluma
uthi ngiyakhala